What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a look at Shady Brook, the freshest new addition to the Villages, Florida. This 55 plus neighborhood's got everything active retirees dream of. Gorgeous homes, top-notch amenities, and that unbeatable Villages charm. We are deep diving into what makes Shady Brook special. Plus, I've got some fun clips from a driveway party here where residents spilled the beans on their golf carts, gas or electric. Oh, and stick around for a shout out to that awesome D&D YouTube channel. Let's get flying. Real quick before we keep going, something that's been on my mind lately is I have 60% of you watch the videos that aren't subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out and it costs you nothing. Let's get back to the video. First up, the Homes of Shady Brook's rolling out a sweet lineup of designer homes and cottage villas with plans for around 500 to 600 total across this beautiful stretch near Eastport. The designer series, like the Everett and Jubilee models, offer 1 to 3 bedroom layouts ranging from 1,400 to over 2,000 square feet under air. Price kicks off in the mid 300s. And you're getting extras like golf cart garages and covered lanais, perfect for parking your ride or enjoying a sunset. Then there's the Cottage Villas. Think low maintenance living with charmed porches, open kitchen, cozy vibes, also starting in the 300s. Surrounded by water features and golf courses, these homes are built for comfort and style. Whether you're downsizing or upgrading, Shady Brook's got something for every resident. Now, let's talk about the Villages amenities. Villages doesn't mess around, and Shady Brook's no exception. The Shady Brook Recreation Center is already buzzing. Adult pool for a quick dip, shuffleboard courts, bocce ball, and horseshoe pits for some friendly rivalry. Just down the path, you got Shallow Creek Championship Golf Club, 18 holes of rolling fairways and pristine greens, a golfer's paradise. Nearby, Shady Brook Recreation adds a family pool, game room, and pickleball courts, great for when the grandkids visit, and it's all linked by trails and cart paths. Want live music or a night out? Cruise to Sawgrass Grove or the upcoming Eastport Town Center in minutes. Shady Brook's got that perfect mix of chill and action. So how many people will settle in Shady Brook? With 500 to 600 homes on the horizon, let's crunch some numbers. Assuming 2 to 3 people per household, pretty standard for the Villages, 55 plus crowd, that's 1,000 to 1,800 residents. Add that to the Villages' massive 130,000 plus population, and Shady Brook's a cozy piece of a huge puzzle. It's small enough to feel like a neighborhood, but big enough to keep things lively. You're never far away from a town square, a restaurant, or those famous nightly dance parties. Let's hit the attractions. Shady Brook's location is a gold mine. Booster's Bar and Grill is your spot for a burger and a beer after golf, laid back and local. Then there's Eastport, just a hop away, where a new town center is taking shape. Picture this: shops, cafes, maybe even a theater, all in that Brownwood Paddock Square lifestyle. It's still growing, but it's going to be a game changer. For now, Sawgrass Grove's close enough for live bands and food trucks. Whether it's a quiet dinner or a night out, Shady Brook helps keep you plugged into the Village's best. Now, here's where it gets fun. I dropped by a driveway party right in Shady Brook and asked folks about their golf carts. You know, the Villages runs on these things. That's what they said.
What else were we going to do? It's a golf cart community. You need at least one.
I got my first golf cart 7 years ago when I moved to the Villages. I got 2 of them right away. I couldn't wait. One wasn't enough. Had to get 2, an electric and a gas.
Gas, battery technology's is not mature enough.
Electric.
I have one of each, so I just kind of, I don't know.
I don't know which one he likes better yet.
I don't know.
We knew. We just moved in 6 months ago.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the hydrogen golf cart.
I've only had electric, so this is my first one.
Big stupid smile on my face. Anywhere I'm going, I'm driving a golf cart, I'm going to have fun. and an atomic pool cart because I want something with air conditioning.
What about access? Shady Brook's fully in the Villages, so that $189 monthly amenity fee gets you into everything. Golf courses, pools, rec centers, and over 3,000 weekly activities. And Villages folks, they can roll right into Shady Brook's public spots, boosters, and rec center, you name it. No gates, no fuss, just pure Villages freedom. It's the best of both worlds. Shady Brook's cozy feel with all the Villages has to offer. Big shout out to D&D YouTube channel. He is a legend. He's all about community, creativity, and epic stories. So if you're not subscribed, go check him out and tell him we sent you.
I'm Doug with DD Aerial Photography, and I have a YouTube channel. And I also do home videos and photos of the houses here in the Villages. I do a video once a week. I usually do the videos of the areas that they're going to be building on, like Eastport. Everybody loves seeing the videos in Eastport, and when it's going to come open. They like to see the new areas, the new villages that are going to come open. And so I do those videos, and I make them weekly.
So why choose Shady Brook over other Villages neighborhoods? It's a perfect blend of fresh and familiar. Newer designer homes and cottage villas with modern perks like open kitchens, smart layouts, and golf cart garages, minus the wear and tear of older areas. Location's a game changer if your steps from Eastport's upcoming town center poised to be a hot spot with shops and dining, yet it's less crowded than heavyweights like Spanish Springs or Brownwood. Shady Brook's quieter vibe means you're not battling traffic or packed squares, but you're still a quick golf cart ride to Sawgrass Grove's live music or Lake Sumter's waterfront charm. The Shady Brook Recreation Center and Shallow Creek Golf Club are right here. No trekking across the Villages for fun. Those cottage villas, they're gold for low maintenance living. Lock up, hit the road, no yard stress. Plus, it's got that new neighborhood energy. Early birds get to spark traditions from driveway parties to bocce showdowns. And let's talk value. Homes in the 300s here feel like a steal compared to pricier enclaves farther north. If you crave modern design, prime access, a tight-knit feel, and a little exclusivity, all wrapped in the Village's magic, Shady Brook's your move. Big shout out to Nancy who invited us to the driveway party. It was a Mardi Gras themed driveway party right here in this neighborhood. I'd say there was probably close to 100, 150 people here. Quite a good turnout for a smaller neighborhood such as this, like on this street. And usually when it's parties like this, everybody comes in, there's music, they had karaoke, a lot of dancing, food, a lot of fun, laughs. Everybody brings their own chairs, tables are usually sometimes provided, snacks and things like that. Like I said, it was Mardi Gras themed, so everybody had a good time, and we did too. Thanks for inviting us out, Nancy. I know you couldn't be there, but it means a lot that you thought about us. And yeah, let's get back on to talking about Shady Brook. This place is shaping up with 500 to 600 homes, killer rec options, and a growing crowd of 1 to 1,800 villagers. From cottage villas to golf cart debates, it's the Village's next big thing. So what's the verdict? Shady Brook calling your name? Ready to join a driveway party and pick a side, gas or electric? Drop your thoughts below. We're dying to hear. So what's the verdict? Shady Brook calling your name? Ready to join a driveway party and pick a side, gas or electric? Drop your thoughts below. We're dying to hear. Give us a like, hit subscribe, and tap that bell for more Villages drone adventures. See you in the sky next time.